Online databases. Selecting and using the best online sources for your information needs. Objectives. This presentation can help you understand the nature and standard features of online research databases, learn to locate the databases available through the Rose Library, become acquainted with the NC Live search interface, transfer what you learn about NC Live to new databases. You've probably heard the term database, but we need to clarify what it means in the world of libraries and electronic information. This discussion is limited to electronic information databases. These resources contain thousands of newspaper, magazine, and journal articles, essays and chapters reprinted from books, trade and government publications, encyclopedia articles, and even some multimedia resources. All of the databases provided by the Jim and Patsy Rose Library can be located through the library's website. Simply point your browser to www.clevelandcommunitycollege.edu and click on Rose Library. Once here, click Find Articles. Here, you see a list of some of the more popular databases, and below that, an alphabetical listing of all the database subscriptions. The alphabetic list provides a brief description of the type of information found in each database to help you decide the best one for your information need. Notice the NC Live link. NC Live is not just one database, but a collection of online databases and resources provided for all citizens of North Carolina. To help you decide which database to use, you can use the Subjects or Types menus. Here are the best NC Live databases for you to use if your subject is related to business. There is also an alphabetic listing. The alphabetic listing is a list of all databases indexed by NC Live. Again, notice the description of the database. Now let's take a look at Academic Search Premier, one of the most popular databases in NC Live. Before we search, let's examine the search screen for the various features that this database provides. The first screen you see is the basic search screen, with all the basic search options below the search box. There are various search modes to choose from. The default is a Boolean phrase search, but you can also choose to perform a search for all your search terms, any of your search terms, or a smart text search, which will allow you to search for a large amount of text. You can choose to search for related words and to search within the full text of the articles. You can limit your search to only those articles for which the full text is available, to scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, to a specific publication type, to a specific date range or publication, to a specified link, and to articles with images. Notice the Publications link at the top of the screen. This shows us one reason why online databases are so important for college students today. Academic Search Premier indexes 8,200 different publications and has full text for 4,700 of these. And this is just one of many databases the library provides access to. There's no way the library could provide print copies of all these magazines and journals. And even if we did, think about how difficult it would be to find material on a particular subject. So let's take a look at how easy it is to find material in this database. Suppose we need information about honeybees. Before we search, let's check the spelling by using the subject terms list. So now we know how to spell our search term. We'll search for honeybees and limit our search to full-text articles that are also periodicals that were published between January 2006 and September 2008. This search returned 207 articles. On the left and right of the list of articles are additional search terms and ways to further limit our search. Notice that we can further limit our search to academic journals. Let's look at one of the articles. All the bibliographic information about the article is presented first. The author, source, along with an abstract, and the database we are searching in. All this information is important if you choose to use the article in a paper or project. Scroll down and you have the full text of the article. For this article, we also have the choice of viewing the PDF full text of the article, which will show us any photos or graphs along with the text. Once you have a full text article that you're interested in, you can print it or email it to yourself. Now let's try an advanced search. We can clear the search screen. Suppose we needed information about the hurricane that destroyed Galveston, Texas in 1900. We'll search for Galveston, hurricane, and 1900. Let's also select full text. If we don't find what we need, other search terms are available on the left. Most of the databases provided through the Rose Library are available to students at home as well. For information about remote access, use the passwords link on the online databases page. This has been a very brief introduction to locating and using our databases. For more information or instruction on databases, go to Research Guides and choose ACA 115.